Hi, I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to review the BabyBjörn Smart Potty.
So I really liked this potty for a number of reasons. One is that it's lightweight. I can move it around the house. So when I was potty training my kids, I've used it for 2 of them now. I've owned this potty for about 3 years. I could easily move it to whatever room they were in. So if they needed to go, we were ready. It has a little grip here. There's a pee guard. You can see here, like this comes up higher to keep the urine in the potty. But then I can easily grip here when we need to take it and dump it in the actual toilet. It's super simple, so that makes it easy to clean. It does have some rubberized rim on the bottom, so when the kids sit down, they're not scooting. And obviously, you know, it's gonna stay put, which is great for them. Another thing I like about it is that we can actually take it in our minivan, so if anyone needs to go to the potty on the run, we can just use it there too, and then we can dispose of the contents in a diaper and then toss it. Might sound a little crazy, but it really works well. My kids like it. They also like that there's a bear on the front. They like to growl. If you need to potty train and you need to look for a portable toilet, this one's worked really well for me, so I do recommend it.